In the morning light, step outside, a world alive, no need to hide. Birds in the trees, a sweet serenade, colors so bright, in sunshine I wait. I hear their whispers calling me home, to life renewed, no war to roam. Singing with the birds, I feel it inside, colors embracing, there's nowhere to hide. Awaken the senses, let joy take its flight. In the world's soft glow, everything's right. The greens are dancing, the blues so wide, nature's canvas a vibrant ride. Sobriety's gift, a clear view ahead, with every color I feel the thread. Pause for a moment, let your heart swell. In this beauty, find your own spell. Singing with the birds, I feel it inside. Colors embracing, there's nowhere to hide. Awaken the senses, let joy take its flight. In the world's soft glow, everything's right. In the stillness, I finally see life's beautiful song is a melody for me.